Okay, we're gonna start now by getting our plate ready with a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna get it nice and hot, and then we're going to add our onions and olives, and they're cooking. Oh boy, it looks good. Our onions are cooking, olives are getting hot. I think we're just about ready to put our fish in. Yep, starting. Okay, it's time now to turn our fish over. Oh boy, is that a beauty. My goodness. And we got more to go. And now we're gonna put our delicious salsa on top. And we'll let that cook up a little bit now. And we're gonna be serving shortly. Doesn't this look great? And now we're gonna put it on the skillet. And now it's ready to be served. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Now we're going to put our feta cheese on. Now it's complete. It's ready to go.